You've definitely heard of drone cameras, but have you ever seen one pop out of a smartphone? Well, what sounds like sci-fi is about to become reality, thanks to Samsung. Leaks suggest that Samsung is working on a drone camera smartphone, and the development is reportedly already complete. This futuristic phone is set to launch globally by the end of this year. The biggest highlight, a 200 megapixel mini drone camera, hidden inside the phone's upper front section. You can launch it mid-air, control it via your phone, and capture stunning photos and videos from a distance. But that's not all, this phone is packed with next-gen features. So, let's dive into the full details. Features of Samsung Flying Drone Camera Phone. Stunning display. This beast comes with a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 4X display, featuring a sharp 1440x3088 resolution, and 500 ppi pixel density. With HDR10 Plus support, in-display fingerprint sensor, and a blazing fast 144 Hz refresh rate, gaming and multimedia will feel buttery smooth. Revolutionary camera setup. The star of the show is the 200 megapixel wide-angle drone camera, hidden inside the phone's top edge. Just launch it, fly it around, and capture jaw-dropping aerial shots. On the back, a triple camera setup awaits. 108 megapixel primary sensor, second a 32 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and last a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. Talking about the operating system, this beast is gonna pack the latest and most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. And for the OS, Android 15 is coming your way. Get ready for next-level speed, insane performance, and cutting-edge features. Battery and charging. A 7000 mAh battery fuels this powerhouse, with 125-watt fast charging, fully charging in just 25 minutes. It also supports 25-watt wireless charging, and 10-watt reverse charging. Price and launch date. This cutting-edge phone is expected to cost around $2,000. As for the launch, before the end of this year,